Hey, what's up, you guys? Back again for another product review. I got the hiccups, so if you hear me going crazy, don't worry about it. But check it out. Today we're unboxing the Infinity View. It's highlight coated lens. Basically, it's a projector. This bad boy has HD original image projection, full format HD video decoding, HDR image display, a high lumen LCD projection, multi-state smart configuration. It has dual band, that means Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth 5, TV level image enhancement, a dual mode resonance sound, plus eye care diffusion, reflection imaging, dynamic image adaptation, electric focus adjustment, entertainment hub. It has seamless HD screen mirroring with no delay, multiple audio and video interface. So this is the box, Infinity View. Let's get this baby open up. Open this baby up. Nice solid box right here. Nice little padding. Oh man, is it one piece? Oh man, okay, it's like a double. Ooh, nice little thick padding right there. Oh, we got a remote control right here. Yep, it uses 2 AAA batteries. Let me get this baby out. What else we got here? Just another padding right there. Put this over here. You know I like the presentation. Presentation, baby. Let's get the presentation right. Presentation. We got the power cord. And of course we got the manual here. I might read a little bit of it, you know. We ain't gonna go through all of it, you know. Once you know, you know. Now, here's the actual projector right here. Let's open this baby up. Ooh, I like it, man. It's nice and sleek. Check that out. It stands up. We got a little panel right here. Okay, so you can angle it like that, or you can sit it flat. Oh, I like that. This is real sweet. Best thing about this thing too, look, on the back, there's your power cord, there's HDMI, there's USB, there's a headphone jack. Here's your air hose so you can breathe. More air holes on the side and one right there in the front. Here's a little cover on the lens. There's your power button. And let's put some power on this bed. Oh, look, you can even put this on the tripod. So check this out. I just so happen to have a stand right here. So I could take this. Oh, that's nice. So look at that, you guys. You can actually put it right on the stand. So I could just take this and move this around. Let's get this baby set up and see what we can do with it. All right, I got the remote set up, 2 AA batteries. Hey, make sure you guys read right up here at the top. It says, do not look directly into the lens. Whoa. All right, so I got mine set up right here. I'm gonna just hit it off that wall right there. I'm gonna cut the light out, and what I'm gonna do too is, on the back, I'm gonna plug my fire stick up on the back. So let me cut the lights out real quick. This is gonna be first startup right here. I got it all plugged in. You got the red light right there. Let's turn this baby on. First shot. You hold it. I'm gonna raise it up just a little bit. Let me get y'all set up right here too. Let me get y'all set up. I'm gonna raise it up a little bit right here, about right. I'm gonna put mine about right there. Right there should be pretty good. Yeah, okay, yeah. Y'all see that? Let me kind of make sure we got it dark in here. Yeah, okay. So right there, I got that set up. Let me get y'all a better angle. Yeah, I guess you got it right there. That's good. We're gonna leave y'all right there. We're gonna leave y'all set up right here. Look, my wife got the happy birthday. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna use the remote and we're gonna focus because this is a little bit out of focus. So let's go to settings. Man, I can barely read it there. I need to focus this in. You see the little clicking? Shit, we need to, is there a focus on it? And figure out how to focus this thing, you guys. I'm gonna plug my Amazon Prime up to the HDMI. So I got my Amazon Prime plugged up. You gotta focus. Oh, is that my Fire Stick? No, that's the built-in. That's the built-in. Okay. So it's got okay, it's got some built-in stuff. Disney Plus, HBO Max. I just gotta focus this baby. I gotta get it focused in there, man. I can't. What is that? Alright, you guys, yeah, I'm just trying to figure out the damn focus. Audio, Luma TV. Alright, you guys, you know what? I gotta get a longer extension cord because you gotta have it a certain distance in order to see. So let me get back with you guys. Okay, you guys, what I found out is you have to be, because right now I'm probably like 20 feet from the wall. What I found out is you have to literally get to about 7 to 8 feet, but maybe somewhere around 10 to 8 feet against the wall to see what you're looking at, because it's not going to be focused. So okay, so now you hit that, so now I can actually see what the hell going on. So there's Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. I don't need Bluetooth. Image. Okay. Says on, so that's on movie. That's movie. That's standard. Okay, I want standard. Projector. Okay, here we go. Here we go. So here's this way you want to go to projector, then you want to go to digital zooming. Okay, auto correction. Okay. Positive front, negative front. Okay, so now, so if you zoom it in, so damn. Okay, that's 100%. So this thing's gotta be, it's gotta be within 15 feet. Let's see, 5. It looks like this thing's gotta be within 10 feet of the wall. It's got to be within 10 feet of the. You can only have this thing. So I'm at about, let's see, 5. I'm less than 15 feet. So less than 15 feet is clear. But when I come back, I'm like, let's see, 5, 10. I'm about 18 feet. 18 feet is blurry. There's no way to clear. So I don't know, you guys. This is for if you gotta put it up close. You gotta put it up close. So you can't. Let me give it another shot. All right, you guys. I finally got this thing connected. I got it connected to my Wi-Fi, but yeah, I already don't like this because you literally gotta be within 10 feet. You gotta set this up within 10 feet of the wall. Alright, you guys, I got my Wi-Fi set up. First thing it did was ask for a software update. So I'm doing a software update now. Okay, so it wants you to download YouTube. Okay, so we download YouTube. Yeah, I already don't like this because you got this has got to be within 10 feet. It's got to be within 10 feet. I mean, you can put it up on the wall if you're looking for like something to go up on the wall, but you got to have this within 10 feet. It's got to be literally within 10 feet of your wall. I don't like that. Because the farther you go, let's see how it sounds. Okay. Let's see how this sounds. Okay. So we're going to listen to just a little bit right here.
Oh boy, you need Wawa.
Wawa.
First up, coffee. Maybe you're a latte guy.
What's up, everybody? Typical Gamer here with your daily live streams and more. Today for you guys, I have the Godzilla.
Okay, the sound sounds pretty good. Sounds pretty good. I can't play too much music, you know, copyright. The sound sounds pretty good. Just doing a little YouTube right here. I'm on gaming. So the sound sounds pretty good, you guys, but I'm gonna have to give this a no because the focus, man. Let me yeah, the focus. Cause see, I'm literally holding this at 10 feet. When I bring this back, look, when I bring this back to where I actually want to sit it in the room, this is where I actually want to sit it, and it's blurry. I've done everything in the settings, so if I'm, you know, I can't get it. I thought it was supposed to be, you know, I can't get it focused. So hey, see, I can't get it focused. You literally have to go 10 feet. So you guys, you know, so I'm gonna have to give this a no, you guys. We're gonna have to give this a pass. So I'm not, you know, you won't even see a link for this, but this is a negative. So definitely, this is my review on this. I'm gonna have to give it a negative because it's not in focus for what I need it. I need it at least 25 feet away to be in focus. So this is a negative. Thank you guys for watching this review, this unboxing. Hey, see you on the next one.